So here we are on cabin A362A as an apple. So before you enter, you're gonna need to tap your key with your bracelet. Then we enter the cabin. So this is an XL Sea Terrace cabin, so you have extra large features. Once you walk in, you have your did not disturb feature. So if you place it, touch it, that's for not disturb. And if you want to get service in your cabin, you press that little cup, like the martini glass spill, and it turns to blue. That way they know you can get service. So here you have your lights. I already have the lights on, so you got your lights there. So walking in, you have your thermostat. For those who want to change, you can see the number, but you can see it gets cold or warmer. You have some hooks here in the corner, and you have a large mirror here to get ready. And then you have your bathroom. So for the bathroom here on Virgin for the XL, if you have an XL, your bathroom's a little bit larger than normal. So you have more extra area to get ready. So top, you have at the bottom, nice full mirror here. And then the good thing is you have your shower separated than your toilet. So that's what kind of we like these rooms about the XLs, because you have your throne or your toilet, closed door separated, and you have your shower. And like on any Virgin Voyages cruises, you have your body wash, there is hair conditioner, and your hair wash. So shampoo is always included. And the nice rain shower. Love this bathroom. Like I say, you have the nice long mirror to get ready. And then let's go ahead and check out the rest of the cabin. So here you have your desk area, so you can get ready. You have some storage compartments there. You have your desk here, so you have your lamp, turn it on and off. You have your iPad, which your iPad, you can watch some movies. Movies are included. Control the room, you can change the lights, temperature, the ambience of the room lighting. You can open and close the curtain, so if I place here to close here. So my curtains, they will be closing automatically. So I love the technology on this room. You can control either way. You have the iPad open there to press, and you still have, going to show you some controls on the side. You have your mini little bar set up here. You have 2 cups. Then you have your water. Water's always included here. We haven't made up our room tour yet, but you can always coordinate what kind of water, if you want still or sparkling. We always prefer both. The water is always included. Then you have your mini fridge. Oh, there's another water there. Haven't opened it yet. That's good for later on if you bring wine or something with you. You can keep it there on that little fridge or cooler, more like a cooler setup. Then you have here your closet. So you can see it's kind of like open area. So you can kind of close it out for a little bit more privacy, so they don't see your clothing. But so as you can see, you have your life vest. Life vest, get your life vest. You have your life vest. This cabin, you can fit 3 people. I don't know how, but you can fit up to 3 people. It's a little bit crowded, but you have your life vest. There's some cubbies for storage. I believe this is a hair dryer. Yep, you have your hair dryer here. There is a safe. And then you have more cubbies here for storage, which is always good. And then you have another basket at the bottom. So you can see 3 people, plenty of room. Then moving on into the bed area. So this is your bed. If you have a third person, this area can turn into another side for the third person sleeping here with you. And here at the bottom, you can have more storage as well. Let me open it up. There you go. It's a little bit rough. But there you have storage if you want some extra storage, but you know this area here turn into a bed if you have a third person. It's a nice comfy bed. If it's only two of you, I love to use this area here for like my electronics to charge. You can turn the lights there, and in this corner there should be a plug. So here you have a USB and the US electronic plug. Your lamps. I don't think I talk about it here, but on the desk you have USB. You have a US plugs, and then international. You have a nice TV, which we talk about on the iPad. You can control the TV to watch movies, TV, see other information about the cruise. Nice bed here. Here you have on the other side for the other person. They can have some to place any charging electronic at night or any other items they would like to hang out. This can still control the lighting. And then you have two USB and US plug for electronics. Then moving on to the balcony. So this is we love this cabin because of this balcony. It's a little bit larger than a regular cabin. This is one of those good ones for the XL. I'm going to show you what I like about this. Now we have on this cabin, you get an extra more feet of your balcony. So you still have a nice signature hammock. We love this hammock. And then you still have chairs area. Here kind of extend than the other ones. A view of here in Miami. And if you look up, you can see the bridge. As you can see, the other cabins, they just stop there for the balcony, and on this deck, they kind of extend a little bit more. So you can have a nice patio here. So we talk about your curtains closing with the iPad, but here you have another side that you can close and open your curtains. So if I press here to close, now my curtains are gonna close. There we go. And the same thing to open. Press it. And as well, like I said, you can control that with your iPad, or you can control that with that on the wall. Now, something that I love about the iPad feature is that the lighting, mood lighting in the room. So if you're here on the room controls, you're gonna scroll. So if I press get on, now my lighting change, and the whole mood in the room has changed. Now let's say I feel a little bit hangover. It's a little bit more dim blue lights. My curtains are still closed, so I know if I'm feeling a little bit hangover, it's gonna be too bright. What other different features? So photo shoot, getting ready in the sun, pump it up. See, pump it up. So I'm getting ready for my day. We're gonna get ready to head out. My curtains open automatically, and a little bit of brightness in the room. But let's say it is time for a photo shoot. So it's hard to see because it's a little bit bright because of the sun, but the lighting around the mirror kind of bring a little bit more into the bright side. And my curtains, obviously, if they were closed, they will open. And I can notice too the lighting in the wall kind of change of the color too. So that's some of the cool features that Virgin has here in the room, so you can get some mood lighting here. Well, I hope you enjoyed this tour here of this cabin, the XLC Terrace. If you want to book a cabin, any type of cabin on Virgin, let us know. Contact us at the Getaway Guys. So info@thegetawayguys.com, and I'm gonna leave that website down below as well. So if you need to contact us to book any Virgin cruise, any cabin, maybe we have some special offers going around to give you some extra cellulite or bar tab. So hit us up. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment down below which one is your favorite cabin, especially those XL cabin here on board Virgin, or even a Rockstar. What Rockstar do you like? What other cabins do you like here on board Virgin? We're here on the Valiant Lady. We will see you on the next video.